Hello everyone, it's good to have you in our YouTube channel today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to earn lava airdrop. Now, before doing that, I want you to go to Elevators Alpha on Twitter and follow us, because on that platform, you'll be getting so many updates on airdrops, and these airdrops are genuine, verified and trusted. So let's get started. First step is to click on the link and it will take you directly to the dashboard. Click proceed, and this takes you to another part of the dashboard where you're asked to connect wallet, join Discord and follow on Twitter. So we're going to be using MetaMask to connect our wallet. Okay, this screen icon you're seeing here, it's wallet guard. It's very advisable for every crypto user and anyone who is mining or doing airdrops to have a wallet guard, because even as airdrops are coming out in many ways, there's also room for fake airdrops, and this wallet guard helps you to verify. And if you just notice what happened there, mine was verified, so it leads me directly to my MetaMask wallet address, and there's a signature request I have to sign to it. Afterwards, the next thing for me to do is to join Discord. I'll click on the join button and it will direct me to my Discord app where I can join Lava Discord. So what I just did was to get verified, and as you can see right here, I've joined their Discord. Next up is to follow us on X, that's Twitter account. You click on it and it will take you to their Twitter account. After you must have followed them, you see connected, which shows you've obviously followed them. Then you go to profile. The next one is to download Sender Wallet. And once you click on this link, it will take you to Sender Wallet dashboard, and then I'll click on download. On clicking on download, it will take me to another page where you see desktop, and I'm going to click on Chrome. After I've done that, you will see add to Chrome. You click on add to Chrome. After you must have done that, it means that you're adding it to your extension. So I'm going to pin it. This Sender Wallet, pin it. Then we can create our account. Create wallet. Your new password is required. The next thing I'm supposed to do, I'm going to go back to our Twitter page, because that is where you see the step-by-step process. It's very important for you to follow us on Twitter at Elevators Alpha. Now, after we must have downloaded it, we are told to copy your RPC. But before we do that, we'll go to our Sender Wallet. There's a 3 dash at the left hand. Click on it and it takes you to settings. You find node RPC and you click on near testnet. This is where you are going to copy the one you found in the dashboard and then paste it here and click on confirm. Now let's go back to how we can earn the faucet, the testnet faucet. In order to earn the faucet, you click on that link you can see there. These links will be displayed in this comment section. Now after I've clicked on the link, it took me to the faucet. I have to go back to the Sender Wallet and copy the Sender Wallet address. I'll paste it and click on request one name, and that will be a success. So for me to just show that, okay, I have really gotten this faucet, I'll go back to my Sender Wallet and you can see I've been credited with some dollars, $2.13. And finally, there are some things for you to do to increase the daily transaction. So that is it about this airdrop. It's a step-by-step process and it requires your patience. So I hope this video was very useful to you and I hope it gave value. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our video. Don't forget to share the video. The more you like it, the more it becomes visible to others. And most importantly, we are offering trainings for those who want to know more about cryptocurrency, blockchain, NFTs, airdrops, and the link to the WhatsApp will also be in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you some other time. Bye.